Oxford Lasers are the staff and engineers here. For nearly 50 years we've been working at the leading edge of laser technology, and so I like to think of us as the home of laser innovation. We're based here in the UK and with an office in the US, and we serve a global customer base in precision industry and research. We have two main product lines, Micromachining and Imaging. Our Micromachining division designs and manufactures high-precision laser micromachining tools for a wide range of applications, including micro-hole drilling and thin-film patterning. And we also laser micromachining services for feasibility studies through to high-volume 24/7 production. Our Imaging division specialises in high-speed imaging products for laser illumination, particle sizing and velocity measurements.
My name is Alan Ferguson, and I'm business specialist here at Oxford Lasers.
Oxford Lasers specialises in ultra-high precision laser micromachining tools and services to create almost any feature in virtually any material with micro or nanoscale resolution. This includes difficult to machine materials, for example diamond, sapphire and tungsten. We have designed a range of systems that are configured to meet our customers' needs. The correct combination of laser, nano, pico or femtosecond, together with the appropriate motion control systems. Both industrial and research organisations from around the world depend upon us, including the semiconductor, pharmaceutical, quantum computing, medical, aerospace and automotive sectors. One of our specialities is precision laser drilling of guide plates, used in probe card assemblies for advanced wafer level test in the semiconductor industry. We are continually developing new laser techniques and processes for achieving the stringent requirements demanded by industry, including rectangular holes with zero tape. 24/7 we provide laser process guide plates with extremely high hole counts of up to 150,000 holes per plate. To date we have drilled over 100 million holes. Quality is critical. We have developed our own coordinate measuring machine. We know the exact position of every hole as well as each hole shape. This ensures the highest quality standards.
My name is Melvin Collins. I'm the Sales Director for Micromachining Systems at Oxford Lasers.
A specialised micromachining tool we have designed at Oxford Lasers is a trimmer. A trimmer enables the modification of a semiconductor device performance to be more accurate, thus increasing the device value. We allow precise control of a laser beam and its position with the galvo scanner to sub-micron accuracy, changing the device in real time. This is why we are better. We offer enhanced accuracy and the ability to change the rep rate to optimize throughput for fine and ultra-fine control. Our trimmers support 24/7 operation in high-volume semiconductor plants across the globe. One specialized micromachining service we offer is supporting the pharmaceutical manufacturing industry with precision laser-drilled holes. Pharmaceutical companies want to know their packaging is leak-tight to ensure the shelf life of their products through validated container closure integrity testing, CCIT. We drill precise repeatable holes in their packages, vials, ampoules, bottles, so they can test their production machine with known positive controls. The key question is, does the tester find these defects? This supports their good manufacturing practices. We drill holes down to 2 microns, offering higher confidence for their process. All of this is validated with metrology and individual certificates to support our customers' growing compliance requirements to USP 1207 and EU Annex 1.